Okay, the wind died down, and we got a couple things out of the haunted house, but it's picking back up again, so we're trying to get out as much as we can before the rain comes. Lovely rain clouds. So, while it's not dancing too much, inside, everything's still good. This used to be the front hallway. Here's for perspective, how wide it is. Open hallway. This was another hallway here. Can't get to there. Broken, all the supports, a lot of them snapped. One frame ripped off. And just so you know how far this got pushed in, the entire haunt used to be, you can probably see the water line here, all along there. So that's how far the wind pushed it all in. Supports bent, but still attached. This thing's leaning at a precarious looking angle. Another shot of the front entrance. And this one here. This was the exit. This was the monkey's cage. Luckily, this is the part I was most afraid of, is the tarp was going to fly away and get caught on something. Here's where the bearded lady was going to be. All these used to be square angles. And then we got animatronics back there. Luckily, the tarp ended up in here. It didn't fly out. Hopefully my old chandelier didn't get busted. And just look down that hallway. So, that's it for now. Trying to get everybody out that we can. And gotta clean up and try again next time.